Hi everyone, I'm Payal and I'm currently pursuing MS from ISC Bengaluru. Today in this video we'll be talking about previous year papers analysis and we'll be shortlisting few important topics that are frequently asked during the past years. So let's start. So as you can see from 2025 to 2021, so biochemistry, like you can see there are around 6 to 7 questions that are repeatedly asked. So important topics are like enzyme kinetics, bioenergetics, metabolic pathways, hemoglobin and oxygen binding type of questions, buffers, secondary messengers, and molecular biology is also important. So I have already shortlisted these topics, so you can just take a screenshot and start preparing these topics. You can see this implies the number of questions that were asked in 2025 from this particular topic. Same for cell biology, plant biology and microbiology. You can see repeatedly around 5 to 6 questions are regularly being asked from these topics. See, immune system, nervous system signaling, all these questions are very, topics are very hot topics. From biotechnology, like 2, 3 questions are asked, and instrumental techniques, you can see NMR, IR, UV spectrometry, all these questions are very frequently asked. And this is for chemistry. You can take a screenshot of these topics. So I would like to tell you about Cybit's IIT JAM BT 2026 crash course. So in this crash course, you'll be getting daily lectures and IIT JAM level practice quiz followed by every lecture, and you will get access till 15th of February 2026. So the link is in the description. You can enroll now. So these are the high yielding topics that you should not miss if you really want to score good marks and good rank. So for biochemistry, enzyme kinetics, delta G, that is free energy calculations, ATP coupling type of reactions. For genetics, Hardy-Weinberg, linkage and recombination. For molecular biology, transcription, translation and operon type of questions. For techniques like PCR, microscopy, electrophoresis. For physics, mechanics and electricity, like mostly this Coulomb's law, or like and gravity, that free fall, all these questions are there in PYQs. You can go and check. For mathematics, obviously probability, permutation, combination, calculus, like limits is very important. Like I have seen around 5, 6 questions from limits. Continuous, very simple formulas are there. For organic chemistry, stereochemistry and reaction mechanisms. So with this, I would like to end this video. The link to enroll in the course is in the description, and wishing you the best for your exam.